This event brings everybody together. We have former patients running, we have family running, we have 200 Southlake family members, like staff, board members, and others. And we're running right by the hospital. It's awesome. We're thrilled.
To be here for 7 years in a row, it's now becoming a tradition, which was my goal, that it would be known as the Nature's Emporium Run for Southlake.
Nature's Emporium has been a true partner for us. Absolutely appreciate the help. It's just been terrific. And actually, it's a really good partner for a run, thinking about the mandate of Nature's Emporium, which is all about health. So it's a great partnership.
The money raised today will be supporting highest priority equipment needs because, in fact, the government doesn't support us to replace and renew equipment. So from IV poles to hospital beds to new MRI machines, that's what we're raising money for today. And that's really what the community does, raised by the community for the community.